How to comment photo on TikTok. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, what you want to do is head over to the video that you want to comment a photo. So let's say you want to comment a photo in this TikTok. So what you want to do is simply tap on this comment section. Now if you click on add a comment, you should probably see the icon of camera right above your keyboard. If you have that option, then what you want to do is you simply have to tap on it. And then you have to click on the gallery. After that, select any of the photo that you want to comment on this TikTok. Once you have selected the specific photo, tap on done at the top right corner. And then your photo will be commented successfully. But if you don't have that option, then what you want to do is head over to your app store. Here in the source bar, search for TikTok. Instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update the app to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, that feature will definitely be available to you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can comment a photo on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.